In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the Steam error code E87, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by finding your Steam logo. Mine isn't loaded up right now, but it is still here. You're going to right-click it and click on Properties. From there, this thing that is highlighted, the target, you're going to right-click and copy it. Now, you're going to click on your keyboard Windows key R, and this will open up. From there, you're going to paste in exactly what was there, but you're going to backspace and /repair. Now, once that's done, you can just click OK. But if that comes up, you can add the quotations again. And just like that, it should repair Steam, and it will actually open up for you once you have done that. And that's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment,